Hello, welcome to Techno Composites. We want to show you today the door lintel of an intercity train that we built for more than 10 years. And we want to show you the benefits that this product has and how we made it. What you can see here is a glass fiber profile of the door lintel of the ICE4. It's an L-shaped profile. And what we do is we put it on the CNC machine and we put this bow on and some other CNC machinings. And we have in the end 14 different article numbers from one profile. Here you can see the glass fiber profile of the ICE4. One glass fiber profile where we make with CNC machinings 14 different configurations. Here is the CNC machining for the toilet sign. There's a metal frame that we glue in, and in this metal frame the toilet sign will be set in. Here is an opening for the door opener, so if you come to the door, the infrared sensor will recognize you and open the sliding doors. And there are also other configurations that you can find in these profiles. What we can see here is a glass fiber profile, an aluminium part in that area. Here also some aluminium profiles that we add by three different kinds of glue to the glass fiber profile. Everything has a function. You can see also our assembly desk for gluing, where we can fix everything very easy, so that we can be sure that every built part is like the others. Here you can see the door lintel as glass fiber profile with a casting of aluminium. And what we've done here is last sealing, so that after painting it really looks like one part. Here you can see the different parts that are glued right now. Next step would be the paint shop. Here you can see some hinges, and here's the frame for the toilet signal. Here the package for the infrared sensor. Here's something for the emergency brake. Also some areas where you can push a button. And if we take this cladding, we can take the door lintel, and we can very easy close this area. Here you can see the function of the hinges. We can close it, and here will be assembled in the final assembly a locking system, and then it's very easy to open it, to close it, and also to disassemble that part. What you can expect from us is that we design your product, we think about how we can solve it, we can do everything for you, including the final assembly, the painting and all that stuff, and you get the ready-to-build-in part from us. You can see here two paintings, one gray, one white, and it's not too easy to have the transition from white to gray. But in this case, it's perfectly done. You can also see here the frame for the toilet signal. Here you can see the sensor for opening the doors. And here's the locking system for the cladding. And if we look to the sensor system, this is the sensor itself with a button. And here's the sensor area, which is built in, also with this cable. And here are the locking systems, where you can see the locking is built in here behind this glass fiber profile. What you can see here is the final assembly of the door lintel. We also check every part. We also make sure that it can be closed. And if there are fine adjustments necessary, then we can do it also here in this working area. And if everything is ready and if the quality assurance is also okay, then we put it on the transportation rack, where you can put two of the door lintels in. Then you can secure them so that they are ready for transport, and then they are going out. Now you've seen how we produce the door lintel of the intercity train. The technology was developed for more than 10 years. You can imagine that we learned a lot in this 10 years, and if we would set up this product again, it would be produced in a totally other way. And if you don't want to wait further 10 years to know what we made today, then come to us, ask for a project that you can do with us, and then you can find it out. Yeah, you've seen a lot of videos in German language. We also are willing to produce them in English. So if you like English language, then write it in the comments. And if you really like our channel, then please subscribe it.